Alright, what's up everybody? You guys heard the exhaust before. It wasn't connected, it was rattling, sounded like crap. We got the exhaust fixed like a week ago. Like I said before, I just haven't been able to get a new video due to the weather. It's been super windy. So I'll go ahead and start the car up and give you guys a little rev so you can hear the exhaust. It's actually rather quiet, but I don't know, I like it. Here we go. Pretty quiet till you get on the highway or till you get on it, so it's not bad. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the exhaust. But I will keep you guys updated and be ready for the next video. Later.